Hello, Nikita. So can you please tell me a bit about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself, and I'm very happy to be here. My name is Nikita Sharma, and I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan itself. I have done my schooling from St. Matthew's Senior Secondary School. I have secured 80.2 percentage in 10th standard and 86.3 in 12th standard. And till now, my aggregate percentage is 9.6. My technical skills are basically composed of, or else I can say, I have learned different languages, which includes Python, C. I am an intermediate level person at using Flutter and basics of other software as well. Anything else you want to know, sir?
So tell me, Nikita, what kind of job do you want to get from the campus interviews?
So as a beginner level, I want to have a job as a software developer, but later on I want to go in analyst. So as a job of software analyst.
Software developer or software analyst?
From campus interview, I'll definitely go for software developer. And later, if I get chance to do further studies, then definitely analyst.
Okay. So why should a company hire you as a software developer?
So I think I have good communication skills, and I'm trying to learning software day by day, like more efficiently. And I had my interest only in software, so I really wanted to have a software developer job.
So have you done any projects in software development?
So till now, I have started on using I have started my projects on Flutter. I am at the intermediate level at Flutter. So I'm just trying to make a page or something like that. And I just started my projects with that.
Right. And but one question I have is that you are an ECE student, right?
Yes, sir.
And there are a lot of students with computer science application who would also get trained and they get taught on software. So why should we take you from ECE versus a student from computer science?
So I decided to choose electronics and communication because I have choices. Like I can go in my domain itself and in IT sector too. So I probably have interest in IT sector only, like in software. So maybe I have something more than unusual things that only computer science students have. So I'll try to do more in coding and programming.
All right. Some quick feedback, Nikita. Your communication is quite good, and you are reasonably confident.
Nikita.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I was hearing your communication with Arvind Singh sir, and I knew that you are interested more for the software developer jobs, right?
Yes, sir.
So why software developer jobs?
Sir, I have an interest in software, that's why.
Then why you have taken AC, electronic and communication?
I have chosen electronics and communication because I have more chances whether I want to go in domain or in IT sector. I am really trying hard for an IT sector job because it's quite like my interest job, so I want to go there.
So what kind of projects you have done in the field of software development?
So till now, I haven't done any project because I realized it later that where I want to go at last. So I have started doing a project on Flutter, which was given by our teacher. So I have started that by making a login page, and I have learned many languages, which include C, C++, Python, and I'm learning right now HTML for more further.
But for example, we want to hire a software developer, and we have the vacancies for electronics and computer science both. But the computer science engineer who is also looking for the same profile, they have done 2 to 3 projects in the same domain. You have not done even a single project. So why we will hire you? We have a better choice with us. What is something unique in you so that we will hire you?
Definitely in this coming 3 or 4 months, I'll definitely make more projects which can distinguish me from CSE students.
For example, any electronics student, because they are from the circuit branch, if they want to go for software developer jobs, so what other skills they have to possess in compared to the computer science student? What do you feel?
So first is critical thinking. It's very important in building any project. Critical thinking, then programming, basically DSA, all the algorithms that they need to study for developing it others. And
for example, electronics company will come. You will not sit, or if you sit for the company because you are from electronics, so definitely you will have the interest for sitting. And after sitting, you have got the selections. In that case, what will you do? You will go for that job or not?
no, sir.
You want to go for the IT job only.
Yes, sir.
So how you rate yourself in the field of programming?
So till now, if I need to do it out of 10, it would be 7.
Okay, Nikita, it does not have any issues because your many electronics students are getting good IT jobs. They are getting priorities in compared to the computer science students sometimes. If they have a good capabilities, we can take the example of last year student also, one of the candidate, Nancy was one of the best candidate. So from EC also,
Yes,
the
sir.
people can get a IT jobs and they can get priority on computer science student also. But it all depends upon your capabilities and the knowledge. But it doesn't mean that if you have taken EC, you don't want to go for EC job. So you have to explore both.
Yes, sir.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In your earlier part of the interview, you said you have been working on Flutter, or you have started working on Flutter. What is the motivation behind using Flutter?
It's about coming the techniques or coming more efficient ways to build apps. So I have heard somewhere that Flutter can be used in many ways from coming time, and it will gonna help later. So I'm just trying to learn something new. So that's why I just clicked on Flutter.
Do you use Flutter? Where do you use Python?
So they can be used in making various apps and doing internal coding and programming.